burning of a candle in oxygen container and burning of the same candle in our normal air, where it will burn more rapidly and brightly? That is the question. And what do you think, where the candle will burn more rapidly? Means in oxygen cylinder where 100% oxygen present, or in our air, normal air, where 20% oxygen is present? So we discuss about this question right in this video, answer of this question. So before starting the discussions regarding this topic, I would like to remind you that if you are watching this video lecture first time from this channel, then subscribe this channel and press the notification button to get the new video upload notification instantly. Hello everybody, I am Atanu Betal. You are welcome to this channel, and watch this video till the end to understand the full answer of this question. Why when a candle burns in oxygen cylinder or oxygen jar, it is more faster, brighter and more quicker than when the same candle is burning in the air. Here the answer of this question is the concentration of the reactant. Here the answer is the concentration of the reactant. Okay, you know, when oxygen jar where 100% oxygen is present, 100% O2 in oxygen jar, and in air only 20% oxygen is present in air. So the candle, for candle burning, oxygen is one of the reactant for burning. Okay, so oxygen is the supporter of combustion. Without oxygen a candle cannot burn. Okay, so when in oxygen jar 100% oxygen is present, that time the concentration of reactant is high. Okay, so due to this higher concentration of the reactant in oxygen jar, here candle burns faster, brightly and rapidly, because in burning oxygen is a reactant, and when the reactant concentration is high, as a result of effect of the concentration of reactant, the reaction becomes faster. So in oxygen jar the candle burns brightly in faster way, in faster process candle burns in case of oxygen jar. But in case of air, you know, oxygen present in air is 20%. So lower concentration of oxygen is in air, lower concentration of oxygen present, which is a reactant for burning. So as the concentration of the reactant decreases in air, as we know the rate of reaction, rate of a chemical reaction depend on the concentration of the reactant. When concentration of the reactant decreases, in case of air the concentration of the reactant decreases from 100% to 20%. So due to the lower concentration of the reactant in air, the rate of chemical reaction decreases, because when a higher percentage of reactant present, that time more collision occurs. Due to more collisions of the reactant molecules, in case of more concentrated reaction taking place in more concentrated reactant, in a mixture of more concentrated reactants, that time more collision occur, and due to more collision, more concentration, more collision occurs, and as a result of more collision of the reactant molecules, the reaction occurs at a faster rate. So for this reason, when we burn the same candle in 100% oxygen cylinder or in 20% oxygen cylinder, in case of 100% oxygen containing cylinder or jar, the burning of candle is more brighter, more faster and more violently burning occur of the candle in the oxygen jar. So this is the answer of this question, that our question is that why the burning of candle in an oxygen jar is more brighter, faster and more violently. And I think you understand this answer, that why the oxygen containing cylinder have in oxygen containing cylinder candle burns more brightly and violently. So that's the answer of this question, and I think you understand this answer. If you have any problem, then you can write me in the comment section below. I would try your I would try to answer your problems. Thank you for watching this discussion, and we meet again with this type of another video lecture. Thank you for watching this discussion.